Because if you tell him you got a $110 coupon, he gonna be like, oh, swipey card swipey. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon.
I know that's right. Big bad pussy, not the belly band. Take a member.
Today's video is brought to you by RPGShow. They sent me this to try for you guys. It is also something saying your girl got her cup today. Yeah. Anyway, before I show you guys how I got this high quality wig together out the pack, it took me about 5 to 10. Okay, that's it. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes from RPGShow. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box, so if you want to check anything out, you can. And before I get started, I'm just going to tell y'all that my brother's in the other room doing some work and his voice carries. Even with my door closed, I can hear him in here. So if y'all hear some deep bass talking in the back, that's him. Here we go with the wig, y'all. This is out the pack. I ain't gotta do too much, and I love it here, okay, because my mental space right now is not really on styling wigs. I just kind of want to put on and go, and RPGShow is going to do it every single time. I hope. Let me go ahead and get this ready out the pack first. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm gonna use a mixture of the contour and sculpt shade to do that. Depending on your skin tone, that is the color you need to use for your tinting. Some of y'all be asking me, oh, what color did you use? If you're my skin tone, then this is what I use. A little bit of this and a little of that. What kind of lace is this? It looks pretty good. The knots are bleached. I don't got that much lace to cut off, so it should be fairly simple to put on. Let me get my cap. Is this the one I want to use? This looks a little stretched out. Maybe it's this one. This is the one I want. Let me turn on my curler just so I can get ready, because when I say quick, I mean quick. What I need? Oh, my hair perfume, because I'm not going to wash it out the pack. Why? It's ready to go. And she don't have a smell. So I'm going to go ahead and just use my Gin Fizz. That's what I want. Use my hair perfume.
I think it gives it a little something extra, don't you think?
Just a little something extra. Shake her on through. This way does come with all the security. So you get the attached elastic band that is removable. Yep. You also get 3 combs that are attached to the unit using Velcro, so they're easy to remove. I'm going to take out my side combs just like this. Oh, I said, okay, about to say, don't embarrass me. I'm gonna leave the back comb, and it also comes with a drawstring. Is that new? I like the drawstring. Let me loosen up my band. I don't want it to pull back on my head too much. Bring this over. Ooh, that's comfy. The color is real nice. I like that color. All right, let's clip this back. I haven't cut lace in so long. Ooh, I feel like I can pull some hair out right here. Let me see. I'm just gonna pull it out. Just to kind of not have that hairline so, you know, so square. I think that's good. Take my razor. I can't see nothing. I'm trying to not cut my hairline. That tells you how good that lace is blending. Take my Nairobi mousse. And I'm going to lay, hold on, I'm gonna shake it up first. Lay my sides down, do a little wispy edges. I'm just bringing some of the hair down. Now, I don't know how this is gonna look because obviously it's is this Yaki? What is this? I don't even know what texture this is. Feels like a light Yaki. They sent me a band. Thanks, RPGShow. I appreciate you. I'm gonna take my paddle brush and just comb out the hair. Let's see what we're working with. Not getting any shedding. Not on my clothes so far, so that's good. Something I will say, and I have said about RPGShow, their hair is very high quality. However, it also requires high maintenance. After a while, this hair does dry out. I've experienced that with all my RPGShow units. So you have to treat these wigs just like you would your natural hair that was color treated. Extra washes, deep conditioners, protein treatments, okay? Just make sure that you're taking care of your wig and it will take care of you. Since I'm not washing my wig out the pack, I will say when I wash this wig, I will give it a really good condition, probably a deep condition, because I can feel that texture in there. I'm just gonna put some curls up here in the front. Take it and curl it back. Maybe not like that. Curl it back. And then I'm just gonna clip it. Just curl this to the back. Like so. Oop, I dropped it. Just gonna pin it up. I'm not gonna curl everything because I just feel like it already has some wave to it, and that's kind of where I wanna leave it. I just wanna make sure that my bang is like, you know, banging. Look, my camera's too high. Is that better? I think so. Take this off. Ooh. Get my hairspray ready. My sexy hairspray. I love this hairspray. Come on, yak yak. Get some spray up in there. I didn't curl the whole wig, I just curled the pieces in the front. Let me take off this band so I can see how the hairline is sitting. Clip this back real quick. I'm about to say, why can't I see? I don't got my glasses on. Can't see without your glasses. My glasses are dirty, I gotta clean those. See, that's what teasing up that hairline will do. It'll break up those hairs and create you some like faux wispy baby hairs. That's kind of what I like my hairline to look like. I'm just brushing this out so it's not, you know, crispy looking. I want it to be very soft and natural looking. I'm gonna take some of my hairspray, some of my finishing spray, and I'm gonna spray it right here across the front. I still want the glueless look, but I want these to stay, if that makes sense. So let me cover up my face. So those will get a little hard and they won't move. Take a little bit of the light silk spray. Just gonna put a little bit on this hair. Just add some shine, a little bit of shine and softness to the hair. Oh, now she real greasy, golly. This is your reminder, if you have a fish, clean your fish tank. Looks perfect. Oh, goodness gracious. I love it when I'm right. I could wear it clipped back like this. Very effortless, very cute. Just take this clips off. It's a very like messy type of hairline, and I love that for me. I'm using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze. Put that on an angled brush. I'm just gonna open up that part in space a little bit more, or clean it up rather, not open it. And y'all see how flat this is? I didn't add no heat up here. Flat like them pancakes. Hold up, let me make sure my lace is blended. Look up, and I'm brushing it down like this. Okay, because if I do this, it's gonna create a line. You'll see that. So I'm brushing it down over top the lace. I'm using my palette right here, the same one I use to tint my lace. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. Do y'all see this chocolate brown color on me? Don't all speak at once, okay? Grab that card and run. I have no complaints about this wig whatsoever. Again, if you watch my video, you know the things that I told you that you need to do for this wig. So I ain't gonna say it again. No snags or tangles. My hands are going right through it. But again, I can feel the texture in the yak yak. After a while, the hair will start to look a little bit more frizzy, and you will need to go in and wash and deep condition your wigs. And the hairline looks fantastic. Look at that, it's still glueless. My forehead seems a little bit bigger today. Why I give myself so much forehead? I don't know. But do y'all see how easy and quick this install was? For a high quality wig to look like this out the pack, I just put 3-4 curls in this wig, 2 up here and 2 down here. That's it. Thank you, RPGShow. I appreciate you getting this wig together for me because I just didn't have the patience. Thank you so much. If you feel like you are ready to try a high quality wig, go ahead and try RPGShow. Okay, get that man's card immediately because we ain't paying for this one. Okay, okay, they come for the pockets. We need that man's card. RPGShow is one of the most expensive, if not the most expensive unit or brand that I showcase on my channel. They gonna charge for what they are giving you. This unit does come in 2 different textures. It comes in silky and yak yak. The Yaki is a $10 upcharge. You can choose your hairline, whether it's pre-plucked, deep plucked. Oh, they do have the Lagos hairline. Okay. That adds a cost and processing time if you decide to get that. You can choose your lace color, whether it's a light brown, medium brown, or a fair skin tone version. They also have 3 different cap sizes, so you can choose the size 1, size 2, or a custom. So if your head is either smaller or larger, 14 inch is their shortest length. There's no upcharge for that, but past that, there is an upcharge up to 20 inches. So my wig is the most expensive, I'm pretty sure, outside of the Lagos hairline. But I have a coupon, okay? That $100 coupon comes into handy. actually $110. Get that man the savings, because if you tell him you got a $110 coupon, he gonna be like, oh, swipey card swipey. And he not even gonna think about how much it actually is. Shout out one more time to RPGShow for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.